Alright, here we go. Another day. Let's see here. I've already taken the hardware out of that. Got to put that post up there, take that one out, take that cross beam down. But I need assistance. Jen doesn't seem to be cooperating very well this morning. I'm waiting on her. Because I can't continue my work until I get that done. Ah, look who's up. Get a good sleep?
No.
Did you get enough rest?
No.
Some of us work for a living. Let's do this. I'm the foreman. The foreman wears the yellow hat. The workers wear the white. Let's get to work. Ready? Got it? Got it?
Hold on. I don't.
Come on. Got it?
I guess. I mean, no, not really, but
Is it under?
it's
the
under
roof?
there, but this is not. Yeah, this is not stable. Yeah, it's under there.
Make it stable.
Don, you have to lift more. I'm sorry that you have to lift more, but you do. You can't make wood go where you can't.
You got it?
I guess.
God damn. Manage that?
Don, I can't put. No, I can only do what I can do. If you don't want me to help you, I will.
Hush.
If you don't want me out here, I
It's
won't.
not that. It's not that heavy.
Well,
You can't push this and make it good.
go ahead.
Huh?
No, I couldn't. I couldn't the way that you were doing it. No.
That's not good. Get on with it.
Okay, now I can. There. Yeah.
Is it hitting the roof?
Yeah.
All right, here's a little update. Got the whole frame back together. Frame here, here, new post, new support beam, new. The next step is we got to take one of these panels off. This triangular panel, got to unscrew it, bring it down, and then repair the broken pieces. And we've got the new tin over there, and then put it back up. hopefully we can do that without any help. All right, let me give you an update here. That's what I got done. Replaced all of this. There's the frame. When that's done, I take that one down, replace that. The only reason I'm stopping is because there's some pieces I forgot to order that were hidden underneath other pieces. Really annoys me, because my goal was to have this done this weekend, and if I had the pieces, it would have been done this weekend. So I really can't do anything further until I get it. So on Monday I'll order the new pieces, about 5 pieces. It'll probably take another week and a half or 2 weeks to get the stuff, and then it'll be fixed. The roof was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. It was easy. The hardest part was this right here. This right here. Getting all that done. That was the hardest part. I mean, I seriously have maybe 3 more hours of work to do. 3 or 4 more hours of work and it'd be done. Here's all the broken pieces. Annoying. I'm gonna chill out for the rest of the day. Tomorrow I will clean the leaves out of this pool, vacuum, maybe I'll paint tomorrow. I'll probably just take a break. Okay, just relaxing for the rest of the day with a mango wit. Yeah, baby. Jen is washing her car. Hey, Jen. Wash that Z71 when you're done. All right. Mango wit. Let's get some tunes on.